Welcome to CSS video series. In this series, we can break each concept of CSS step by step, but for this video, we can learn how to use CSS in HTML. You have a few options to do that: inline style, internal styles, or external styles. Let's learn each one of them at a time. You can apply styles directly to individual HTML elements using style attribute. This method is suitable for small scaling style or quick changes, but in general it's not recommended for a larger project because it's become hard to maintain. The second way of using or implementing the CSS style by defining the style with the style element in the head section of your HTML element. This method is useful when you want to apply a stylus for multiple elements with the same document. Last approach by consuming a separate CSS file, for example style.css, and link that to the HTML document using a link HTML tag. This method is recommended for large projects to keep your HTML and CSS separated, to organize and maintain them easily, and also reduce the common styles over multiple HTML documents. Assignment for this video, which you can find the source code in the GitHub repository and the link in the description below. So try to consume external or third-party styles such as style sheet hosted by CDNs or other external resources. Use CSS library that you can change the font or style of the font and manipulate the background. Check the description below. I will put some CSS libraries link so you can use them. That was everything in this video. If you face any problem, let me know in the comments section or in the GitHub. I will do my best to respond and give you help. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one.